Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by revealing what word hides. Turn on Show /hide so you can see spaces, tabs, and paragraph marks. Once done, scan the text for double spaces, manual tabs, and extra paragraph returns that create uneven gaps. Make sure to use print layout to view the final output and avoid illusions from draft view. You're now ready to fix spacing systematically rather than guessing. That visibility step saves time and prevents editing the wrong elements. Next, use Word's tools to correct issues quickly. Open Find and replace double spaces with single spaces, replace manual tabs T or manual line breaks L. Then select text and adjust paragraph settings. Set line spacing to single or 1.15 and set before / after to consistent values. To keep changes consistent, update or apply styles so headings and body text share the same spacing rules. This reduces future drift. Finally, finalize layout and check for stubborn issues. If text is justified and shows odd gaps, enable hyphenation or adjust Word's justification settings to reduce space stretching. Use reveal formatting to compare a bad paragraph to a good one so you can spot stray indents or spacing overrides. If nothing works, copy content into a new document or clear local style overrides to reset spacing. A key troubleshooting tip: if spacing persists, clear formatting on the troublesome paragraph, then reapply the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.